Victor Boniface don go Leverkusen now dey score goals. Once e come Super Eagles you go forget how to score goals. Remember how to carry camera, create con ten t, go social media dey quaff pipu, dey catch cruise. All dis Nigerian players most of dem I don't even know how they do dis thing. I mean how did they even do it? Is it dey plan it or what? They will go to Europe, they will play so well. Whenever they come home, nothing. Dis same guy that has cost us how many points in recent games now, he don go Europe now. In first game, he scored 2 goals, he cancel one. If he come Nigeria now, to even play the ball sef go dey heavy am, e go be like sey na stone im dey kick. See the likes of Mane, the likes of Salah, whenever they play for their country, they play well. For their club, they play well. For our own players, if they come Nigeria, na different case. Maybe say they no cancel the first goal join, may e no even score again sef. Nigerian players sometimes I just dey imagine how una take dey do dis thing, whether na curse or something. But anyhow kudos to Leverkusen, they don get their win dis night. Omo make dem go rest jare, seriously make dem go rest.